Hello, friends. Welcome to our farm animal adventure. Today we will meet animals, hear their sounds, and play fun games together. This is a cow. Can you say moo? Moo. The cow gives us milk. C is for cow. Let's all moo together. Here are some sheep. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! This is a hen. Can you cluck like a hen? Cluck, cluck. Let's count the eggs. 1, 2, 3. Here comes a horse. Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh. Now look closely. Can you find the yellow circle? Yes, it's the sun. Here's a puppy and a kitty. Puppies bark, woof woof. Kittens meow, meow meow. Can you bark and meow with them? Clap your hands, stomp your feet, dance with the animals to the happy beat. Moo like a cow, baa like a sheep, dance with your friends before we sleep. Wow, friends! Today we met cows, sheep, hens, horses, dogs, and cats. You did amazing! See you next time for more fun learning. Bye bye!